Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to download VEED.io video without Watermark. We have the link to VEED.io in the description below if you want to enjoy the services available on VEED. Now first things first, can VEED actually remove watermarks for free? Well, if you go over to the FAQ section, you'll see questions such as what is the best watermark remover app? If you click open, it says VEED is the best because it offers all the tools you need to create professional videos quickly and online. So it says VEED is the best. Also, if you come over to this question right here, is VEED a free watermark remover? It says you can use VEED free tools to function as a watermark removal. However, from experience, trying to remove watermarks of VEED from their website on the free plan isn't actually free. Of course, that makes sense because you want to have a plan in order to have the watermark removed. For example, even if you go over to the editor and you can see the video right here and you try to say done on a free plan, you'll still see the VEED watermark at the top right corner. Now, if we want to add a sticker over the watermark, which is one of the suggestions that they mentioned, just going to put this here, going to put this at the top right corner, just where the VEED watermark is. I'm going to shrink this up a little bit, put it over here, then try to say done and see if it covers the watermark. Well, there you have it. The watermark is over the sticker. So trying this out according to what they say in the FAQ doesn't actually work. So what can you do? You can export it this way, and then on another editor, you could change the aspect ratio from 16:9 to 9:16. So we're going to come over to resize for social media just to show you how it's going to look like if you have it as a YouTube short, which is actually 9:16. And this is how it's going to look like after you've exported it with the VEED.io watermark and you're using your editor to crop out the logo itself. So that's a way to remove watermarks for free. So in summary, you cannot actually remove watermarks for free on VEED.io, but what you can do after exporting the video or any other video, you could change the aspect ratio so you don't get to see the corners of the video, which is usually where you're going to see the watermarks, either at the top right corner, the top left, the bottom right, or the bottom left. So just go ahead and use a free video editor and crop the video in order to use it without the watermark. Do let us know if this was helpful, and don't forget to check out the link to VEED.io because there are other features that you can definitely enjoy while using it. And thanks for watching.